I'm going live soon in 10 seconds. System preferences. Yeah, online clock. Started everything. Hmm.
Hello.
Just type in the domain name that you have registered in the chat box. I'll just come live in another 1 minute. I don't know. Got it. Yeah, hi Rakesh.
Hi, how are you?
Just switching on. Okay, can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, so it is, you cannot read the text right here. Yeah,
You have to mirror it. Yeah, now we can.
now it's fine. Yeah, please type the domain name that you have registered in the chat box. Let me see how well, whether you could complete the today's exercise and just see who are all here. Hi Rakesh sir, hi Alina, hi Suresh sir, hi Parveen. Whether you could complete the yesterday's exercise?
Yes, I could complete it.
Yeah, Rakesh could complete. Please, what is the domain name that you have registered? Can you just type in? I just
Yeah, I'm
need to
typing.
know the domain name that you have registered. I will take voice-based questions at the end. Today we will have enough time. At least 30 minutes we will have.
Yeah, I've sent my domain name by chat.
Yeah. I'll just see. Um, full name, sir. Full name. .com.in. I'll just see it here.
Yeah,
Daily dose of sanity. Yeah, it's good. Daily dose of sanity.
I write with
Get
that
some
name
meaning.
because
It's real good. A daily dose of sanity can become a brand name.
thank you.
Okay. I hope you have checked the history. Advite Overseas. Okay. Yeah. Do you have a company name in this, sir? Parveen Advite Overseas. This works. Okay. This is a good name. This is a good name. Congratulations, Hasim, for completing today's exercise. Hasim, I'll just close this. I'll just pop this out. Pop out. Yeah. Okay. Now I can see. Hi Rakesh. Hi Science of Health. Could you complete yesterday's exercise? Hi Hasim. You completed, right? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Science of Health. Can you please come on, switch on your video? Yes. What is your name, sir? Can you please change your name? I will not know your name until you change it or just tell me. Okay. Yeah. Hi Alina. Could you complete the exercise? Thumbs up. No. That's all right. Okay. I purposefully made today's exercise simple so that everyone can cope up. Okay. Yeah. We have Hasim on screen. We have Parveen on screen. We have Suresh on screen. We have Rakesh on screen. And Rakesh, your domain is daily dose of sanity. Yeah. That's great. And .in. Advite Overseas. Yeah, that's great. Advite Overseas is great. Devan. What I said, the rule, important rule, keep it short. Okay. So this has to become, domain name should connect well with your identity and your genius. Okay. Keep it short. Okay. Now we have AI. We can ask AI for ideas. about how we can make this domain name better, but this is fine. Devan Anand Murthy. I know that is your full name, okay, but you can still shorten it, okay, but this is fine for now, okay. You can start with it, okay. Yeah, please type your names that you have registered. Biswajit joined as a guest. Biswajit, could you complete? Yeah, J Trade Times, okay, dot today. So you registered only for completing this program, okay. Don't use this name for marketing, okay. It is going to fail, okay. Dot today is a second level TLD, okay. That is not first level, okay. So this one holds well just to test out something, and when we establish in the market, this name you cannot launch with this name, okay. Let's be very clear. Dot today is a second level TLD. Google will not even allow advertising. Google and Facebook will not even allow advertising in these names. Dot today, okay. And even if it allows, it takes much of your advertising budget. Hi, Smadhir Bor sir. Could you complete yesterday's exercise? Thumbs up. I take voice based questions at the end, okay. Today we'll start by 7:32. Parveen have completed. Biswajit, have you completed today's exercise? Yes, right? Yeah, Biswajit, can you please unmute and speak? Okay. You are joining this for the second time, right? Can you unmute and speak why you joined? You have been joined last year and you came back this year. Okay, I just need to hear from you, sir. Okay. Would you like to go ahead and speak?
Yeah, hi, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, please go ahead, sir. Okay, last year you joined, right? Which month you have joined last year?
Last time I found it very interesting. Whatever way you have taught, and this time I thought of implementing. Last time I have not implemented. Okay,
Yeah.
last time I got the idea, and this
Okay.
time I thought of again coming to the session, learn it whether there are some changes in it because technology changes as you rightly said. So I thought of learning and implementing this time.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
the
Great,
reason
sir.
I
Great to
joined.
have you back. Many people will
Thanks.
join second time. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for coming. And Biswajit sir, thank you for making the payment. Because he didn't make the payment and somehow, because he is in the group, somehow he got directly into the group and then he made the payment. And thank you for making the payments. Else I would not have noticed. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Omesh, I'll mute all. I'll mute also. I could not register a domain name, but okay, type the domain name. You will have enough time to figure out the AWS. Type your domain name. Just borrow a credit card from someone for 2 rupees and complete this exercise. Okay, so that we'll know how better it is at the final day. Okay. Evolve Mind Shala. Yeah, this mind is good. This name is good. Evolve Mind Shala. Chat. Biswa speaks. Yeah, this is really great. This is how we create a brand name. Okay, Bishwa speaks. Okay, this is really good. And .in top level TLD. This is really good. This is really going to work, and you can use advertising, Facebook, Google, any way of advertising. This is going to work. Evolve Mind Shala, and this is also, it's somewhat big, but still it's a good name. It has a capability to become a brand name in future. Okay, Bishwa Speaks is really great name. I would give 100 marks for bishwaspeaks.com. .in. Okay, if it is .com, it would be more great. I know that you would not got a .com. You didn't get .com, sir? Why you choose .in? Hi, Vagai Wellness. Hi, Vinod, sir. Yeah, nice to see you live today. I already have a .com. Yeah, then great. Okay, you just need to complete this. Okay, just you tried a new name. Yeah, bishwaspeaks.com is really good. Hi, Shruti, madam. Could you complete it? Yesterday's exercise? No? Yeah, thank you so much. Type your name. Type your domain name. Type your domain name, what you have registered. And today we have enough time for voice-based questions. We will start exactly at 7:32. We will wait for 1 more minute. Master Math Online. Yeah. Okay. This is like a keyword, and you chose .com. That is good, but you can made it even shorter. Okay. This type of keyword-based domain names used to work in the past, madam. Okay. In 2015, 2010 to 2015, these keyword-based domain names got a big boost in Google advertising and Google's. Now it stopped working at all. Okay. You would have added your name, Master Math with Shruti. That would have got, okay. Master Math with Shruti. That would have been very good. Instead of mastermathonline.com, Master Math with Shruti. That would become a brand in future. All right. Yeah, you can start with this. Samid, this name, I couldn't read it properly. 1 minute. Bishwa speaks. Samin or gmp.co.in. Is it a company name, sir? Samin, okay, your name. Samindar gmp.co.in. Co.in doesn't work for advertising. It's okay if you can just complete this exercise. You should have chosen .in instead of co.in. .in or .com would have worked great. Okay, it's okay, sir. For starting, that is the cheapest name I know. Co.in they'll give for 49 or 59 rupees for new accounts. Yeah, I completed just now. Okay, that's fine. I will tell you. I'll tell you a secret. Okay, even if you do nothing after completing Friday night 9 p.m. if you get up at Saturday morning 5 a.m. you can complete this course. Saturday morning 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. if you sit, you can complete all the technical things. Okay, and support is there till Saturday night. Okay, it's 7:32. I'll start. Okay, so we have 14 participants today. So today we are going to. I'll take voice-based questions at the end. Okay, so today I'm going to start now. I'll do it on Friday. No, if you need a client on the 5th day, you need to get this system up and running. Okay. So for that, you need to complete it daily. Okay. Yeah. So today we are going to install a lifetime free SSL certificate, and we are going to install the LMF system. This is what we are going to do today, and it is going to take only 20 minutes. We will complete well before 8 o'clock. Okay. We will complete everything well before 8 o'clock. I purposefully made this today's exercise very, very simple, so that people who are struggling with credit cards, they can cope up. Okay. If you have after 8 o'clock, you can go and do the exercise, today's exercise live. And if you want to leave at 8 o'clock, you can leave. Okay. I will take voice-based questions for 30 minutes. Okay. You can ask me any question. I am here available for 30 minutes today. Okay. From 8 to 8:30. All right. Clear? Type clear. CLR. So today's exercise is going to be very, very simple. Everyone who is struggling, you can cope up definitely. Yeah. Now I'm going to start. I'm going to give you an exercise. Yeah. So I'm going to give you an exercise that has nothing to do with my course. Okay. I want you. This is the exercise. This is outside the scope of this course. Okay, if you go to the LMF core success link, you will find day 2 active today. Okay, LMF access.jagankrish.com. If you see that day 2 is live today, active today. Okay, there you will find a link. Okay, the name is first link, take genius test. Okay, what is a genius test? You have to know what type of genius you are. Okay, who you are, what is your identity, and what is your genius. You have to connect that to your website. Your website is a reflection of who you are. Okay, for that, you know, first you have to know who you are. If you just take this genius test, it will take around 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. There are only 4 type of geniuses in this world. Okay, Dynamo, Tempo, Steel, I forgot what is the next one, If you take this genius test, you know who you are, what type of genius you are. I'm a dynamo genius. Okay, I'm a creative person. So you should know what type of genius you are and come with the result of this test tomorrow. I will explain more about this type of geniuses. Okay, your website is just a reflection of who you are in the real world. So you have to know what type of genius you are, and you have to connect that in this website. Okay, so that's why I want to know what type of genius you are and what is your identity. Okay, you will know everything when you take that test. Okay, yeah. So this is outside the scope of this course, but I still want you to do this exercise today. All right, yeah. So this is today's goal we are going to do, and I'll tell you what is an SSL certificate. SSL certificate is, anybody know what is world's best security company? Okay, anybody researched it? Yesterday we created a domain name from world's best domain company, GoDaddy, and we created a hosting from world's best hosting company, world's most affordable cloud hosting company, Amazon. What's world's best security company? The world's best security company is, it's not a company, it's a foundation. Okay, it's called Let's Encrypt. Okay, I will open that here. It's a foundation. You will not hear this anywhere. Okay, Let's Encrypt. This is the world's best security company, and it is a foundation. It started as a foundation in the early 2011 and 12. They started giving the best security online for free. Okay, they believed that security is a basic human right. Security online is a basic human right, and they started giving it for free. Okay, so that is called SSL certificate. It below, before your domain name, there comes a name called HTTPS. Okay, now it became mandatory to install a SSL certificate. Else this Chrome, Safari, it will throw an error. Okay, so that's why we need to install a website security, which is called SSL certificate. And Let's Encrypt is a company that, not company. Let's Encrypt is a foundation that gives this security for free. Okay, for all the websites in this planet. Okay, now if it is free, there should be a catch. Correct? So what is the catch? Why it became free? I will tell you. Anything we get for free, there is no quality, right? That's what we believe in. Okay, so anything it comes for free, it should not be I mean, what I can say, it should not be of good quality. Correct? But I tell you, this Let's Encrypt has the same security standards as the top security companies in this world. This security company, this security foundation is at par with most security standards. Okay, I'll tell you this one. In 2025, all the security companies here, GoDaddy gives SSL certificate. Okay, they give SSL certificate for 1 year. Correct? When you pay from GoDaddy, when you take SSL certificate from GoDaddy, they will give it for 1 year. Okay, Safari is going to, in iPhone there is a default browser called Safari. Okay, Safari is going to ban all the security certificates that is valid for more than 3 months. Okay, they are going to implement this standard by 2025. It is already out. Okay, so every website of yours that has a SSL certificate valid more than 3 months will throw an error, but this will not throw an error. Okay, this is future ready. Okay, this Let's Encrypt SSL certificate has only 3 months of validity. Okay, it is future ready, and after 3 months it renews itself. So what I'm trying to say here is, it is at par with the security standards of the future already. You can go to GoDaddy, you can go to many security, Cisco, they give SSL certificate for 1 year and 3 years. Okay, they all have to change. So it became free because they believed that security should be a basic human right. And the catch is, I'll tell you, Let's Encrypt. I'll open the website here, Let's Encrypt. All big companies. Okay, see, this is the Let's Encrypt website. I know it will not be visible. Okay, you will see the sponsors: Amazon, Google, Facebook. All the big companies sponsor this foundation, and that's why it became free. Okay, So these big companies sponsor this foundation. All top 5 companies will be there in the list, in the sponsors. So that's why it became free. And it has, I use this, personally use this for 1,000 plus websites for the last 5 years. There is not even 1 millisecond downtime in this. Okay. So I definitely recommend this Let's Encrypt for all. Okay. It is at par and future ready. Okay. So we are going to use Let's Encrypt and we are going to do that today live. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll present you 2 ways. One is the easiest way and one is the free way. Which one you want? The easiest way to get the website security or the free way to get the SSL certificate? E or F? Type E or F. I just need easiest way. I'll tell you the easiest way. Go to GoDaddy. Okay. GoDaddy is a company that gives a SSL certificate. If you go to GoDaddy and see the cheapest SSL certificate they offer. Okay, go to security and the cheapest SSL certificate they offer is around 2,300 per year. Okay, there is a security. Okay, I will just show you the cheapest SSL certificate. It is 2,999 per year. Okay, can you see the number here? It is 2,999 per year. You call GoDaddy and say that this is the certificate I need. They will do it. They will do it to you at free of cost. Not free of cost. They will do it. They will install it for you, but they will take 2,999 from the second tier. That is the easiest way. You call and tell them they will do it for you, and you will pay 3,000 per year. And the second is free way. Okay, that is what I am going to do it live. You are going to learn this free way today. Okay, so we are going to learn how to do this free way. It is going to take only 10 or 20 seconds. I am going to do it live. Okay, yeah. So we are going to start now. Okay, it's going to take 10 minutes. We are going to install SSL certificate. We are going to install the LMF system, and we are going to secure the AWS account. Okay, security, it is not mandatory. It is good to have. Okay, you need to activate 2-factor authentication. The tutorials are there. I will explain, but I'm not doing this live, but you have to do it. Okay, yeah. So we have to secure our AWS account, and then I'll repeat again. When I am doing, don't do it yourself, just pay attention. And once I have done, you can go ahead and do the exercise yourself. Most likely, if you just do it, you will complete in another 10 minutes. And those who have questions, stay and ask your questions. Voice-based questions, I'll take for half an hour. So you know how the support works. You can take a photo of your phone, photo of your laptop and send it in the WhatsApp group. I'll tell you, okay, I can tell you 100% of the right answer. I can give you my answer. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., the group will be open. You can ask any of your questions there. Okay, with the photo or a video, I can assist you. Okay, yeah. I'm going to do it live now. We have 19 people. I will share my screen. Okay. I will share my screen now. Share. Yeah. Now I am going to do this live. Okay. I know you all have the SSL certificate. Sorry, the LMF. Okay. This is what I showed you. So the cheapest term. Okay. I'm just opening the chat here. Okay. If my voice is not audible, you have to tell me, else I will not know. Okay. Somehow I can see your screen. Okay. So this is the cheapest SSL certificate they give. Okay, 2,999. They will give it at this price with the 3-year term. This is what we are at the same standard. We are going to create this. Okay, I'll show you the Let's Encrypt. It's a foundation. Let's encrypt. Okay. This is the foundation that gives the SSL certificate free for everyone. This became free because of all these sponsors. Cisco is the world's top security company, and then Amazon is here, Facebook is here, Google is here. Everyone support this, and that's why it became free at the same standards of the top security companies. All right. So we are going to do this live. Now I'll open the LMF access page. You have this page. Okay. This second day recording will come here. Day 1 recording is already here. Second day recording will come here, and you have to take this genius test. It is only 2 minutes. Okay. Take this genius test. You will know what type of genius you are. Dynamo, Blaze, Tempo, and Steel. Tomorrow I'll explain what type of explain more about this geniuses. Okay, so this is the optional out of the scope of this course, but I still want you to do it. Now I'm going to install the SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Okay, for that you have to open the Lightsail home. Okay, which is the yesterday you have created this login, right? This is what we have created yesterday. I hope everyone have this AWS account till here. There is a small box here. Okay, this is what we call as command prompt. Okay, so don't get scared here. It's very easy. Just click this. It will open something like this. Okay. Now I'll open this side by side so that you will find it very easy. Okay. Now this one, I'll keep this here. Okay. Now, so I'm going to install SSL certificate on lmfworkshop.com. Okay. See, it doesn't have, it says not secure. Okay, it says not secure. I'm going to install it here. So I'm going to go to the LMF security access and I'm going to copy the 2.1.1. Okay, can you see this? One minute. Yeah, I'm going to copy this 2.1.1, copy command to clipboard. Okay, the copy is not working. Okay, sorry. But you can just copy from here. Okay, just right click here, click on copy and come here and click on paste, Control V. Okay, if Control V is not working, I want you to just select this icon. Okay, and I want to paste that here and then press Control plus V here, it will work. Okay, once you paste this command, press enter. It will take some time. Okay, so it will ask for a domain list. Okay, you have to type the domain name that you have registered. Okay, that is lmfworkshop.com. Please type without any spelling mistake. Okay, I know that I have not made any spelling mistake. Please type without the spelling mistake. Else copy and paste your domain name here. Okay, so type your domain name, press enter. You will ask, okay, the first is you have to type Y. Okay, you this for first question you have to type Y. Okay, this one type Y. Second question type Y. Third question type N. Fourth question type Y. You want to agree to these changes. Okay, type Y. Okay, and now it will ask for an email address. Please give the same email address that you have used to create your domain name and AWS hosting. Okay, I am very particular in saying this. Please use the same email address for all. Okay, that will simplify a lot of things in future. Okay, I'll just give my email address, ebirtha_invite@gmail.com. Okay, this is my actual email address, test email address. Okay, okay, you have to agree to this agreement. Why? Yeah, now please wait for 10-20 seconds. It is doing a lot of work. It is connecting to GoDaddy, it is connecting to Amazon, it is encrypting and downloading the certificate and installing it, restarting the server. Lot of work it is doing. Okay, wait for 10-20 seconds. Let's wait. This is the first time I'm doing it live. Yeah, done. Can you see success here? If you see success here, type yes. Can you see success here? If you see success here, it means our SSL certificate is installed. Okay, now I am going to go to the lmfworkshop.com and I'm going to refresh it. Can you see this lock icon? Can you see the lock icon? If you see this lock icon, it means your website is secured, lifetime free, with the same security standards of the top tech companies. Okay, now I click this lock and click on site settings. No, sorry. Okay, now I'll click this lock and I click on connection is secure. Okay, and you will see certificate is valid. Click on certificate is valid, and you will see the certificate issued on 20th of June, which is today, and it is valid till 18th of September 2023. It is valid for 3 months. After 3 months, what happens is it will automatically renew itself. You will not do anything until you use Amazon, AWS, and GoDaddy. You will not do anything. It will keep on renewing as long as you have validity of GoDaddy and Amazon. All right, is it clear? Now, okay, now your website is secured. Okay, now you want to go to 2.1.2, which is SSL checker tool. This is an online free tool. Okay, I'll click here. You can close this. Once this is done, you can close this. Now I'll type the domain name I have. Okay, just to make sure this is propagated throughout the world, or any challenges, any problems you have, just type this domain name, click on check SSL. It will take its own time. Okay, yeah. Okay, now it became fast. Yeah, see, you will see all green tick marks. Okay, if you see all green tick marks, it is your SSL certificate is installed and it is workable throughout the world. Okay, so you have lifetime free SSL certificate now. Okay, yeah. So then the exercise 2.3 is 3 minutes. You need to log into WordPress administration panel. Okay, how to log into administration panel, I'll tell you. Okay, type the domain name here. Whatever you have registered, type the domain name here, lmfworkshop.com. Okay, I'll click on 2.2.1. Please input the domain name you have registered. Okay, okay, my domain name. Anyone, please type the domain name you have registered. Okay, I will just okay, I'll just change it to like. When you type the domain name here, click on open. Okay, this is how. This is your WordPress login URL. Okay, please type your domain name here. Okay, so that I will do it live. Okay, anyone type your name. Okay, once you click on open WordPress login page, this is your login page. You can copy this and open it. Yeah, adviteoverseas.in. I'll copy this. Adviteoverseas.in. I'll copy this and I'll show it to you. I'll paste this. Okay, so this is your WordPress login page. Okay, now I click on open login page. It will ask for username and password. Username is user. Okay, USER. You copy from here. Okay, so this got copied. So username is user. The password is, okay, you have to copy from the Lightsail AWS. Okay, for that you have to go to this Lightsail home. You have to open that command prompt again. Okay, you have to open this command prompt again. Okay, you have to copy paste this command. Okay, this command 2.2.4. I think someone is controlling my screen. I don't know why it's happening. Now 2.2.4, copy this, come here, paste this, enter. Can you see a password here? This is the password. Okay, I'll copy this, come back here. I'll come back here. Obviously, this is not my domain name. I'll just type in my domain name, lmfworkshop.com wplogin.php. All right, yeah, this is my domain name and it started with the SSL certificate. The username is user, the password I copied from there. Okay, and I'll click on remember me and click on login. Now you can log into your WordPress. The first thing I want you to do is go to the okay, 1 minute. I have already installed it. I will just go to the themes and delete it. Delete the theme. Okay, mind blown is what you all will have. Okay. Okay. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to the settings. Go to general. I want you to update the email address here, which is ebirthdayinvite@gmail.com. This is very, very important. Okay, so I want you to update. This is the first things first. Okay, you will get a OTP. Once you put the OTP, once you confirm the email, it will get updated to this email. Okay, this is the first thing I want you to do. Then now you want to install the LMF system. Okay, how to install the LMF system? exercise 2.3, click on 2.3.1. Okay. This is the updated version. Okay. Download this LMF system. There you will find a download here. Now you will see a LMF system. This get downloaded in your local computer, which is LMF classic theme. This is LMF system version 3.0 2023 edition. Download it to your local computer. Now come to your WordPress admin. Click on appearance, click on themes. Now click on add new. Now click on upload theme, click on choose file. So this is the theme that you want to upload, that you have downloaded right now. This one, you click on open and click on install now. So you will find, you will just get something, a message called theme installed successfully. Then you click on activate. Once you click on activate, today's exercise is complete. Once you click on activate, you will get something called LMF system settings. When you here you will find something called visit site. When you go to lmfworkshop.com, you will find this. Okay. So I want you to take a screenshot of this. Okay. Screenshot of this. I want to see a lock icon. I want to see your domain name. I want to see this. Make one page website. Okay. Once you take a screenshot of this, okay, please take a screenshot of this like this. I want to see your lock icon. I want to see your domain name. I want to see this Jagan Krish, make one page website. Once you send this in the WhatsApp group, today's exercise is complete. These are all the mandatory exercises. Okay. Focus only on the mandatory exercises. Okay. Now, so these are the optional exercises. You need to set up budgeting in AWS. Okay. We need to set up budgeting like, so when we create a AWS account, so we need to set up a budget. So if you have created a $5 instance, follow this video, which is just 3 minutes. You can create a budget for $5 or $10 so that no matter what happens in your account, your bill will not go above $5. Okay. So that is this is mandatory. I recommend this you to make this exercise, do this exercise. And then these are the 2 optional exercise. You have to secure your AWS account and GoDaddy account with the 2-factor authentication. 2-factor authentication is nothing but when you log into your GoDaddy and AWS account, they will send a OTP. Once you only if you put a OTP, it will allow you to log in. So this is external, someone else is doing this. Okay, it keeps on changing. Just search YouTube how you can activate this and enable 2-factor authentication. These 2 are optional exercise. All right. Yeah. And then post your screenshot with this Jagan Krish and your domain name, and today's exercise is complete. Okay. We completed in by 8 p.m. Now I'll take questions. I'll stop screen sharing. Yeah, we have 19 participants today. Yeah. Now I will change my camera. Okay. Now you can go ahead and people who have questions, put your questions in the chat box. I'll answer questions for the next half an hour. Okay. What do you think about today's exercise? Can you do it? You have a lifetime free SSL certificate. Okay. With the same standard of GoDaddy. Okay. Nobody knows this. Okay. Nobody, this is not getting marketed. Okay. So now you know, now you saved close to 3,000, 4,000 rupees every year. You now the basics foundation is set right. The best company, best domain name from best company, best hosting from the best company, and best SSL security from the best company. That is future ready, all future ready. LMF system is future ready. So the basics is, the foundation is set just right. Okay. And from tomorrow, let's do the actual work. Okay. Yeah. For domain 149, but in the cart, yeah, that's all right. Okay. You need to have a new, you need to create a new email address. GoDaddy keeps on changing it. Okay. But I strongly recommend to get a domain name from GoDaddy, because we are building a foundation here. Okay. We are not building a website. Okay, I strongly recommend to get it from GoDaddy. Only then you can complete it. Okay, at the final day, I will test it out. Okay, anybody who have a Geo phone, small phone that comes with a keypad, right? Okay, I'll open the LMF system in the Geo phone. I'll open the other website in the Geo phone. You see which one opens first. And the second question, if Google My Business site is there already after website, if SEO based on today with the new website, I'll take credit. I don't understand that question, sir. I will I'll take this question in voice. Okay, sir. So others, please go and do the exercise. If you have a question, I'll allow you to unmute now. You can unmute and ask your questions. Okay, I'll take first text-based questions. Completed the exercise. Can you please type clap for Vinod? That's how easy it is. Okay, yeah. After registering on Rakesh, can you Vinod Kumar, can you please ask that question? Unmute and speak. We have 30 minutes.
Hello,
I'll
sir.
take
Good
questions.
evening.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
evening, all. And
Yeah.
great webinar, sir. And it's been a privilege to attend it. My question is, already I have a Google business which is running from 1 or 2 years.
Yeah.
And I have some credibility from that, like Google reviews, approximately 150 plus. So now one of my digital marketing person told this Google My Business is not helpful for SEO, sir. You go for .com. So now with LMF, we create new website, one page website. And in that website also, we will put Google map also, right? Our address and other reviews. Yeah. So my question is, already Google, we have put our hard work for 1.5 years. Will this new LMF will take that credit also, or whatever website we create from today? Suppose if somebody is searching Jagan Krish today, will that new LMF.com and one page?
It takes time, sir. Okay, your old website that already has a credibility will always show up top. Okay, this will show up if you register this domain name for 10 years, and if you have a video here on Vimeo, this will take credit after 6 months. Okay, it will not outperform your already Google business, because you are doing business already. Google is becoming very, very smart. You cannot outperform that. It takes time. Okay. So this system we are creating to get leads to do advertising. Okay, this is not for SEO. This is not for SEO. This is to get clients. This is to get leads at the lowest price possible. Okay, this is going to help your business big way. Just follow all this exercise and do it. Okay, and the final day, let's test it. Okay, the reason why we create this website is to get leads, sir. Okay, you will this system will outperform the existing business you already have. Okay, the lead cost will come down by 3 times. Okay, yeah. Your question?
And the second question, sir. See, as doctors in India, illegally we are not supposed to advertise.
All right. Yeah, I know.
Suppose my idea is to go for ads with 0 fees, like creating, doing a webinar.
Yeah, you can
can we do that?
You can do any selling, any one product, any price you can sell with this. Okay. This works well with webinar type of product with 0 product. Okay, this works well with YouTube ads and Facebook ads. There is a match in this LMF system. Okay. So that's why. Okay. I'll take others' question. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vinod. Yeah. Rakesh, what is your question after registering on checking
my question is,
yeah.
My question is, after I finished everything, the day 1 exercise, then as you said, I went on step 7 of day 1, which is checking on the DNS checker.
Okay.
So when I put my domain name, it is showing 1 cross that is in Singapore.
Okay.
Everything else it is showing tick mark.
So in Singapore, your website is not yet up. It takes 48 hours, sir. Even after 48 hours, it is showing a cross marks. Call GoDaddy customer support. It is with GoDaddy, not with Amazon. Okay. GoDaddy is down there in that country. Okay. That's why it is showing cross mark. Okay. After 48 hours, if you are still facing the problems, you have to call GoDaddy. And trust me, it will work in Singapore. Call someone in Singapore and tell the name, it will work. Okay. It may be a downtime in that tool, the SSL checker tool, free tool, right? There is a problem there. Okay, most likely it will work on all countries. Okay, don't worry.
Thank you.
Yeah. The other questions, chat. Yeah. Vinod Kumar completed the exercise. Yeah, great. So that's how easy it is. From tomorrow, we are going to create offers. Tomorrow, what we are going to do is, first we'll discuss about the type of geniuses. Yeah. So we are going to create your offer. Okay. Everything starts with the offer. The way that you create your offer is everything. The first 10 minutes is very, very important. Next tomorrow, only business owners gets this. Okay. So you have to be present tomorrow 7:32 to 7:42. It is very important. You have to create your offer right. Only then all the advertising will work. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to create offers and we are going to update it in the LMF system. Okay. That is what we are going to do tomorrow. First 10 minutes is the crux of this entire 5-day program. Okay. Tomorrow, please join live, essentially from your computer. Okay. So we are going to create offers and we are going to update it in the LMF system. That is what we are going to do tomorrow. And the next day, okay, next day I'm not speaking about it. Yeah, any questions, you can just please feel free to unmute and ask. And others, please go and do the exercise. Yeah, any questions?
Yeah.
I will, yeah, please.
Sir, I have a question. Okay.
Yeah, Vinod sir, please go ahead.
Jagan, like yesterday you're talking about creating multiple instances in the Amazon account itself. If I have another domain name, can I just create another WordPress instance there?
No, every instance takes $5. Okay.
Okay.
In one instance, I manage 1,000 domain names. Okay. In one instance, $5 instance, you have to just upgrade that $5 instance to $10 instance. You can manage up to 1,000 domain names in one instance. Okay.
Okay.
It's not 1,000 domain, unlimited domain names you can maintain, but that is outside the scope of this course. Go and search YouTube as host multiple domain name in single AWS instance. You will get a lot of tutorials. Follow that. You can easily host multiple domain names. All right.
Okay.
So that is my suggestion. Okay. Yeah. Don't create separate instances. Separate instances will not. It becomes too bulky and your bill becomes too high. Okay. $40. I have a $40 instance. I run 2 services there. Responsive CVBD. I handle so much of traffic. I have 1,000 different domain names. 5,000 domain names I handle in a $40 instance. So you can easily, one business you can easily run with one $5 instance. Okay. Yeah, just search YouTube, sir. Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Domain names are there. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions? Anyone have any questions? Biswajit, yeah, please unmute, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Please raise your hands. I will take questions one by one. Biswajit, sir, please go ahead.
Yeah, sir, my question is that suppose if I get the domain name of biswajitspeak.com, so can I change that?
Yeah, Biswajit Speaks, where it is? Is it in GoDaddy?
No, it's showing that it has already been taken. So they may ask some money for.
Sir, I will tell you, sir. Don't buy domain names. They'll ask ridiculous price. Okay, they'll ask $1,000, $2,000. Okay, unless I have a service called Vedi.io. Okay, I paid only 5,000 rupees. And Vedi.com, they asked me $4,500. $4,500 is 80,000 rupees. Okay, I would not suggest it unless you are going to start a company, a proven model that you already have. I don't suggest to buy, invest in the domain names. Instead, you put that money in marketing. You get 1,000 clients for that money. Okay, if it is less than 10,000 rupees, I suggest you to get it. More than 10,000 rupees, I don't suggest it to get it. Biswaspeaks.io will work. Okay. Provided you put that money in advertising, put that 50,000 rupees in advertising, biswaspeaks.io will go up. Biswaspeaks.in will go up. Okay. Anything less than 10,000 rupees, if you can afford it, go ahead. If you have a proven model that you can make profits in the first year, go ahead and invest in a domain name. Else, it's not required.
Okay.
All right, sir. Yeah.
So we can change that afterwards, right?
Yeah. We can change. Okay. Yeah. The next one, anyone have Alina, Avinash? Any questions? I'm saying Avinash today first time. Yesterday you didn't come, Avinash? Any questions? We have 20 more minutes. This is the time we will not get from tomorrow. Okay. So any questions, please feel free to ask. The reason why I kept today's exercise very simple is so that others, even a non-technical, see, I have clients of age 55 and 60. They used to come here. They used to struggle even with the computer. Okay, that's why I made this. I made very sure whoever comes in, they get results. Okay, at least they get this system up and running. We are going to have this system up and running on the 5th day. Okay, that's why I keep today's exercise very, very simple. Today we have a lot of time to take one-to-one questions. Please feel free. Any business related questions I take. Anything related to online business. Can I transfer my current WP website to AWS? Feel free to do it. Just follow the this tutorials. Day 2, you can create an instance and transfer it. All right, Parveen, yeah. Feel free to do it. So in the last batches, people will have, I compared Hostinger, lot of other hosting services. Okay, other hosting services will excel only in the support, call support, voice. They give you excellent support. But if you compare the speed, AWS outperforms all other hosting services in the planet. Okay, even the big companies like Hostinger, they use this cloud infrastructure, Amazon cloud infrastructure at the backend. So do this. I'll quickly share one thing. Okay, if nobody have any questions, take this free for 3 months. If you are not happy, you can delete the instance. Okay, I will just quickly show that how you can do it. I'll share screen. That tutorial is not there anywhere in that my LMF system settings. I am just sharing this. Can you see the screen? Yes, you can see the screen. Okay, it is very simple to delete the instance. Okay, can you see the instance running? And here, okay, I will just, if something wrong happen, nothing wrong will happen. If something wrong happens in your website, I just come here, click on reboot. This is what we will do. Okay, when you reboot, that's how fast it is. It rebooted your instance, and now your website will start working. Okay, now if you want to delete it, click on delete. Okay, once you click on yes, delete, this instance will go and you will not get any bill. Even that $5 you will not get. Okay, so this is how you remove the instance. If you are not happy with AWS after 3 months, this is how you remove the instance. But for one email address, you will get one AWS account, not more. Okay, yeah. So this is how you remove it. And if some any problems happens in your suppose if your website is not loading in any country, if any problem happens, I want you to do this. Click here, come here and stop this instance. Okay, it will stop. Okay, this is like rebooting our computer. Okay, stop this instance, and after stopping it, it will take some time, 10 or 20 seconds to stop it. After stopping it, and then you come here and start it, the website will come back to normal. Okay, so this is the small tips and tricks you can have. It's good to know. Nothing will happen bad for your website if you use AWS. It will be insanely fast. Okay, but these are the good things that you should know. After 3 months, people will message me, I'm getting bills, sir. I'm getting 100, 200 rupees bill every month. There is no way you can pay for a year at a whole. In Amazon, we have to pay every single month, and we have to go and pay it manually. So this is the RBI guidelines. Because of that RBI guidelines, it made like Amazon made it like that. So every month you have to go and pay 300, 400 rupees the bill that you will get in the email. Only then the website will work. And after if you are not making payment for 3 months continuously, they will suspend your services. Okay, so make sure that you pay the bill every single month. Okay, yeah. So the instance is stopped right now. Okay, now I'm going to start it. So it is stopped. It is saying it is stopped. I'm going to start it right now. Here I'm going to start, and then the website will start working. Okay, so this is the future. Cloud hosting is the future, and this SSL certificate, we got the best tools possible at the lowest cost possible. We got the best tools and systems at the lowest possible price. And the LMF system, I would not say it is the best. Okay, anyone, I have created the LMF system. If I say it is the best, no, people have to say it is the best. Okay, I have a lot of people say getting phenomenal results. I will show them, introduce them to you on the final day. So any questions, you can unmute and speak. If there is no question, I'll end up the session. Can you suggest a good domain for e-magazine site apart from .in and .com? I would suggest to take .com. Okay, anyway, .com, if that is available, ask this question in AI, Alina. you know, OpenAI, Chat GPT is a tool. It will give you a lot of ideas. Okay, as this, please suggest a good, don't tell it as a domain name. Please suggest 5 brand names for e-magazine website. Okay, it will give you a different ideas and see what connects well with your identity and genius. Today you will take a genius test. You will know what type of genius you are and what is your identity. Okay, that is something the website name should connect well with your identity and genius, because our identity and genius will not change. Our genius will not change for the next 10 years. Find a way to connect that to the name and then take it. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions? So anyone completed the today's exercise? I am having a name, firm named J-Trade Finance, and we are planning to release a magazine in the same name. Okay. I got that. So you are going to create a website for that magazine. See, here you can get clients for jtrade.com. For JTrade Finance, you need clients. Create this system to get clients for JTrade Finance. Don't get, don't do it for magazine. Magazine, you can collect contact numbers. The reason why we do it is we collect contact numbers and we'll contact them. That is the one. This LMF system is very great at one thing. Okay, jagankrish.com. Okay, this LMF system is very great at one thing. It is very great at collecting contact numbers at 1/3 of the price. If you do advertising for 1 lakh rupees, okay, if you use other systems, there is a case study in my jagankrish.com. You can go and see. If other systems spend 1 lakh, LMF systems spend only 50,000 rupees. You save 50% of your advertising cost if you use this to get clients. Okay, so that's why we create this. We can also use this for lead magnets. We can also use this for selling one product, but I would suggest to get clients. Okay, yeah. It's your imagination is the limit here, how you want to use it. And 4th day, I will tell you how you can add sections, remove sections, edit it. Okay, yeah. So if no more questions, I'll end up today's session. Okay, tomorrow, please come in by 7:20. Okay, 7:32 to 7:42 is the crux of this entire program. We are going to learn how to create compelling offer that connects to your ideal customer. Okay, what is your ideal customer? We are going to go and speak directly with him through an offer. I'm going to tell you how you can create an offer for your product or a service or a coaching, whatever you have, whatever product or a service that you have. Okay, you will know how to create an offer for that product or a service, and we are going to update that in the LMF system. First 10 minutes is everything. Okay, of this 5 days course. Don't miss it. 7:32 to 7:42. All right. So I'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. And this group I will close it by 9 p.m. so that I will not disturb others when sleeping. Okay. And I'll open it by 7 a.m. so that you will send your questions from 7 a.m. It will be the recording will be posted by 9 p.m. 9 to 9:30. You can do the exercises. Okay, do the optional exercise also. It's good to have. Okay, but mandatory exercise, please complete it. Okay, only if you complete the day 1 exercise, you can do the day 2. Complete till day 2. You have the best systems possible at the world's most affordable price. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. I'll meet you tomorrow.